What's going on, guys? I've got a bunch of work I want to get done today in the new garage, but I've made a mess. Just renovating this house, cleaning up the engine bay on this thing, which is not quite done yet, but I mean, look at this. Pulling the engine, just did that a few days ago. So let's start off my day by cleaning up, giving myself a nice place to work. You know, I really wish I could just sweet. Now this is the real nightmare. There we go. Much better. Now I got a place to work, place to stand, and admire my newly clean engine bay. But as you can tell, I'm missing something over here. I've got 3 LEDs over there, just the one in the middle, the one up in the front middle, and then one above my workbench area. Got nothing up here yet. But I did just buy 2 LED lights, just like that one up there. I'm gonna hang over here. I want 4 more total, but 2 will have to do for now. I think I'm gonna put them both on this side for now, because I am planning on putting some over there. But you know, balling on a budget here, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So let's bust those open and get those hung up. Oh, and I also have these like legit fluorescent light fixtures that I acquired for like free. I need to wire them up and get them in for when I want to go full send on the lighting, but I want to put LEDs in those too, because the normal ballasts and everything make too much noise and they're kind of obnoxious. So ignore my mess of extension cord that is plugged in. That is totally temporary, I promise you. If you see it in the future, yell at me in the comments. But how much better is that? Look at that. I had to use a flashlight working in here last night. Now it's all well lit. It's with the door shut. So yeah, I think 2 more of those over here, over the 914, would be great. What do you guys think? Alright, now I can... Oh, still got a shadow there. See, need more lights over there. Now I can turn around almost 360 and have lights on me the whole time. Let's see, I've got a lot to do to prep this thing. I want to get this motor in the 240 here in the next couple weeks or so. The whole bottom end is done, the head's done, torqued down. Don't have to take the valve cover back off, hopefully, just yet. I need to finish up the intake manifold. I have like all the emission stuff pulled off of it and deleted. But there's some. I actually need to change it. Change the lower plenum to the stock one off this car, because I could run this one, but I have to like make a bunch of changes. So I need to pull that one off, clean it up, and install it. But I don't really want to do that tonight. What I'd rather do is get this set up. So I need to convert this to T2 because I have a T2 turbo GT28, and I'm thinking about just welding this flange on there. Now I haven't really decided what my method is going to be. I'm probably going to run studs for the turbo and then maybe 1 bolt if I have to, just based on fitment. So welding that on there wouldn't be the end of the world. I think it'll be better than cutting it off. I'm going to take a look at it and get a better idea. I think cutting it off, the opening might be too big for this, and then I just run into too many issues. And I know I'm going to want to upgrade this turbo eventually. The bottom end is good for more than 300 horsepower, and that's probably where this turbo is going to gas out. And if I upgrade a turbo, I definitely want to go to a V-band flange, so I'll just cut the whole thing off anyways and weld a V-band flange on there. So I'm going to pull this manifold off real quick, take a real good look at it, and see what exactly I want to do. I'm a bit rusty on the MIG machine, but I think those turned out alright. A little chunky, but should be all good. We'll clean it up with a wire brush. Just gonna send it, I guess. It works for me. I like it. I'm sure you guys have a ton of questions because I've been gone forever and I didn't answer anything in my last video. I just sort of wanted to get a video up just for myself, sort of, and I don't know, just to get one up. If I put one up, then I have to keep uploading. That's sort of my thought process. I can't leave you guys hanging again. So, I've got a ton of stuff to go over. I'm not going to go over it all in this video. Clearly, this thing looks different from last time you guys saw. That looks way different from last time you guys saw. A lot of story behind that. We'll get into that in another video. But where am I? So I'm in a house. I just bought a house a few months ago. Me and my wife did. I got married in this whole hiatus as well. So that happened about a year ago. We just bought this house. This is the garage. When I got here, it was just a mess in here and nasty. I put up all this paneling. This is the cheapest way to make the garage look presentable, I think. These are just like 4x8 panels. That's not real wood, just so you guys know. But it's all insulated and everything now, so come this winter, it'll be nice, easy to heat, and easy to keep nice and warm. And then, yeah, small little 2-car garage, but it's bigger, way bigger than anything I've ever had. I can have both my cars in here. Got some space to work. It's pretty sweet, like, pretty excited about it. You can see I've got a bunch of stuff, some over fenders for the 240, front and rear, and stuff hanging up on the wall over there, so that's what's going on in here. So I've just, I've got some other plans for this garage. The floors need epoxied. This back wall here needs painted. It's just bare drywall. This wall actually butts up against the rest of the house. And then eventually I need to insulate the garage door and the roof in here before winter comes so I can keep it heated well. I also have some more cabinets that need to go up somewhere. I've got just some, just a couple of cabinets up right here. But I need to get some more stuff up off the floor. It's not a huge garage, so I just need to be really efficient with how I, you know, use my space in here. There's definitely enough room for me to do what I do, but it could become a nightmare really quickly. So where have I been? I'm still in Colorado. I know a bunch of you guys that follow me are also locals here in Colorado, so I'm still in Colorado. I'm still working at the same shop, restoration shop. We work on old European stuff, so obviously going to be making videos on the weekends, evenings after work and everything. But I want to keep doing this. This has been sort of it's been fun for me in the past, and I fell off of it, and then I felt like I couldn't come back to it because it's been too long, but then, I don't know. You just get stuck in your head, I think, sometimes, and I wanted to come back to it, so this is the right time. I just moved in here a couple of months ago, and I've just gotten this place sorted out. We've been renovating the whole house, and I wanted to get this all set up in here and everything before I started doing stuff, so that's what I did. And so I've just been working the past couple of years, I guess it's been, since I last uploaded a video. I was dailying this car when I last uploaded. That car, obviously I painted it. It's pretty nice. Obviously it's super dirty, but the paint job is nice. But that car was stolen. There's a whole deal. I'll tell you guys about it in another video, like I said, and show you everything about it. But yeah, so that was fun. Now I'm just dailying a piece of junk Subaru. Still have this thing. Still needs some stuff done to it, but it is running and driving fine. I mean, I drove it here and drive it occasionally. It's a little bit wild, which is fun, but that car back there is now, it's going to be a street car for now. You know, maybe I'll take it to the track or whatever every once in a while for a little basic track day, but that's a street car. That's not purpose-built drift car or anything, even though I probably will weld the diff because it's a 240, right? So, I want to know what you guys are interested in, because you guys are the reason I make videos. So, What do you guys want to see from me? You know, traditionally I've made build videos and that sort of thing mostly. I have some other interest in other videos I want to make, but I want to hear if you guys have any suggestions. So if you have any suggestions, leave some comments down below. I posted yesterday, I filmed just that quick video, and I posted a picture on Instagram just of my garage, and it got a bunch of comments from you guys saying, oh my god, you're alive. So there are some of you still out there. I'm a little bit surprised, but I'm sorry for leaving all you guys hanging, but I'm back, and hopefully I'll be back for a while. So leave me some comments down below. I want to talk to you guys. I want to interact with you guys. I want to see who's still around. I'm sure I'll recognize some of your names, but for now, that'll be it from me, so I'll see you later. Peace.